Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the project open. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to open the global search. This searches across all files. Once done, type the exact word or phrase you need and make sure to set filters. For example, limit to asterisk, JS, or exclude node modules. You do this to focus results and speed the search. If you prefer case sensitivity or whole word matching, toggle those icons immediately. They narrow matches and reduce noise when you inspect results. Now refine the search. You can enable match case or match whole word for precise hits, or choose the rejects icon to craft patterns. This lets you capture variable forms. Once results populate, expand a file to preview lines inline, then click an item to jump to that file and line. If you need changes, type a replacement in the Replace field. You can replace individually or replace all across the current results. Do a quick scan first to avoid unwanted edits. Finish by using advanced options. Set files to include or exclude with glob patterns like src/** or dist to tailor scope. Make sure follow symlinks is set how you expect, and verify VS Code uses ripgrep in settings for fast, consistent searches. If you don't see expected results, check that files are saved, not excluded by. Git ignore or search. Exclude and that file encoding is supported. If problems persist, restart VS Code. That often clears indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.